Hello guys, today I am back with another video. Today I am going to explain the 5 best gaming chairs. When shopping for the best gaming chair, the key is to look for one that brings the best ergonomic design and the most robust build quality with a heavy emphasis on comfort and also personalization. Consider the time you are best seated. While some of the best gaming chair may come with high price tag, remember, like any piece of quality furniture, it's worth the investment. Our bodies require a proper care, and thus Secret World Titan Evo stands out as the best gaming chair today. It is very nice and amazing gaming chair with so much great features. For an affordable recommendation, the best budget gaming chair is Corsair, a TC100 Relaxed, which is also very nice and amazing gaming chair. So in our pursuit of the best, we are rigorously tested a ton of gaming and also office chairs from respected brands to guarantees each recommendation in this guide as has met our straight standards. Opting for a less expensive office chair might seem appealing, but investing in superior ergonomics is a choice of your body will be grateful for as time goes on. So invest in something that will last and give you but and back the comfort and sport it deserves. So many gaming chairs are recommended, but overall is the Secret Tab Titan Evo, which is very nice and amazing gaming chair. It is a benchmark by which we judge all gaming chairs. To earn that role, it ticked all the boxes you could ask for gaming furniture. Its comfy, sportive, and also importantly looks great. A very beautifully looking and a nice one. There is also Corsair TC100 Relax, which is also an affordable gaming chair with so much great features in it. The thick cushion, broad design, and refined styling make it a good gaming chair. There is also other brands like Harman Miller Embody, which is also a nice and amazing one. It is a premium you would expect nothing else at this price. With super comfort and a warranty spin over a decade. It's absolutely the chair of choice if you are willing to invest the ergonomics. There are also other brands like the new chair, which is also an office chair and also a gaming chair. It is a brilliant option if you are after something more traditional looking. The Neuro chair mesh design keep you cool for a long periods and offers elite build quality. These are totally amazing and the best gaming chairs. The Thunder X3 Core, which is also a nice gaming chair with so much great features. The Thunder X3 came out of nowhere to deliver excellent lumbar support in an affordable package. It is mostly for patients and many others who love for gaming and for many other purposes. The Kaiser 3XL, which is also a very famous brand, you would see the coming in two sizes like X, a large and extra large. The Kaiser 3 is the best gaming chair for anyone who finds most chair too tight or too flimsy. It is big, it's solid and also comfortable. It's totally nice one. So much great features. So these were the top 5 best gaming chairs. Whenever you are looking for best gaming chair, you should keep in mind too many different things like its shape, its strength, and most important its price, which is also important one while buying any kind of gaming chairs. So you should keep in mind because there are different kind like affordable and non-affordable. So its shape is also very important while buying any kind of gaming chair so you can get a proper product. So if you want to buy from Amazon, just click on the links present in the description. You can easily get on sales and also on deals prices. If you find any kind of difficulty, you can easily reply in comment. I will surely reply. So have a nice day. Thank you.